YouTube? Today I'm going to show you 4 different snacks to make with rice cakes. So I'm going to show you 2 sweet and then 2 savory because I love eating sweet and savory stuff. So I'm going to be using these lightly salted rice cakes, and I am also going to be using these tomato and basil rice cakes. So these recipes are healthy, fun, yummy, and you know what? Try them out because they are bomb. I have had really good feedback from all of my clients about these recipes. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's get into making these bad boys. What you guys are gonna need is pumpkin puree. This is just 100% pure pumpkin. You're going to need sugar-free, fat-free Jell-O pudding mix, and you're going to need a rice cake. Oh, and you need 2 packets of stevia, Splenda, Sweet and Low, whatever y'all use. All right, guys, so in a bowl, we are gonna start by mixing 25 grams of pumpkin puree, 4 grams of sugar-free, fat-free cheesecake mix, and 2 packets of stevia. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So once you have that all mixed up, you're gonna put this on top of a rice cake. So here we go. These are just a plain, lightly salted rice cakes, but honestly, this would be bomb with like a caramel rice cake or a chocolate rice cake or, I don't know, one of those sweet rice cakes, but this is just top that rice cake with some cinnamon and you are good to go. Sweet snack. Now we are gonna make a savory one. You can use either lightly salted rice cakes or tomato and basil rice cakes. For this recipe, I recommend these ones, but for the video, we are going to be using the lightly salted rice cakes. So you're gonna need rice cakes, you're going to need a wholly guacamole package or just regular avocado, it doesn't matter, crushed red pepper, and some lime juice. So in a bowl, we are gonna mix a little bit of the wholly guacamole, lemon juice, and I meant to say lemon juice, I don't know why I said lime juice, lemon juice, and then, yeah, let's do this.
Control, control, right. My AI just changed, it just paused.
And there you go, simple as that, a savory one. This is also bomb. The crushed red pepper, it makes it 10 times better. There you go, second thing done. Now we have another sweet one. On this one, you're gonna be needing peanut butter, a girl's best friend, a banana, some cinnamon, and another plain rice cake. So we're gonna be putting a tablespoon of peanut butter on the rice cake as well as some chopped up banana, and we're gonna top it with some cinnamon.
Wrong gate, I thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think
Okay guys, tell me how bomb that looks. Second sweet tooth one, this is really good for like a pre-workout snack. Bomb. All right, so we have our very last one. This is gonna be a savory one. Okay, don't knock this one until you try it. If you absolutely hate tuna, it can be substituted with chicken, but it is bomb. I've been eating it every single day. So what you're gonna need is a tomato and basil rice cake. You can even do this with white cheddar. lightly salted rice cake, but it is my favorite with these tomato and basil rice cake. My whole half of the head is like being cut off over here. But yeah, bomb. You're gonna need a can of tuna. You can do this with the packages of tuna, anything, and you're going to need some kind of mustard, your favorite mustard, a spicy mustard, a regular mustard. The jalapeno mustard is really good, but a mustard. Those are the 3 things you're gonna need for this one.
I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me.
Okay guys, like I said, do not knock this one until you try it. It is freaking bomb. Like, so good. So yeah, that's the last savory one. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that little snack video. More to come, but those are really good for quick on-the-go snacks. Even if some of y'all have kids, I bet you they'll eat the banana and peanut butter one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you never miss any content. And let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know if you like the recipes, if you like the workouts, because I could do whatever for you guys. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.